going to introduce you to the basics of fire alarm systems by looking at the components that go into creating a fire alarm system. Additionally, we will provide an overview of the different types of fire alarm systems that exist and review their benefits. So, let's begin with, what is a fire alarm system? A fire alarm system is made up of devices such as heat or smoke detectors and pull stations, which indicate to a control panel that a fire has been detected and then alerts the building occupants to evacuate via audible or visual signaling devices. A fire alarm system consists of several different inputs and output components. First is the control panel. This is the brain of the system and is the central hub that monitors inputs. The control panel also controls output actions and sends information to notification devices. Second is the power supply. When it comes to powering your fire alarm system, both a primary and a backup power source are required. Next are the initiating devices. These devices transmit a signal to the fire alarm control panel indicating that there is a possible fire. There are two types. Automatic devices are typically detectors that can measure or identify the presence of smoke, heat, carbon monoxide, and flame. Examples include a smoke or carbon monoxide detector. Manual devices require a person to activate them. These include items such as pull stations or alarm buttons. The next components are notification appliances. These appliances are audible and visual signaling devices that alert building occupants of a fire. Sirens, speakers, and strobes are all examples of notification appliances. Finally are the building safety components. These components allow the fire alarm system to control aspects of the building environment. These typically are used to help people exit the building safely, such as exit lighting or ventilation systems. Additionally, systems may also include sprinklers, fire doors, and elevator recall activators, among many others. They may also be integrated with your building security system or other smart building technologies. Now, let's take a look at the different types of fire alarm systems. There are two primary types of fire alarm systems, conventional and addressable. While both interact with devices and other components in a similar fashion, they differ in how they're connected. A conventional fire alarm system connects the control panel with each device on a separate wire and are typically set up in zones. This way, when a device is activated, the system can identify the zone and help narrow down the location of a potential fire. For example, if your building has 4 floors and each floor is set up as a zone, the fire department can identify which floor the fire is located on based on the zone that is activated. An addressable fire alarm system assigns a unique address to each device on the system. This means that you can identify the exact location of an activated device and advise fire personnel. All of the devices within a building are connected on one wire that is looped to the control panel. Because of this, if one end is damaged, the system can still send communication to the control panel through the other end of the loop. These systems are very customizable and are generally used in large buildings or complexes. Let's wrap things up with just a few of the benefits of having a fire alarm system within your building. First, a fire alarm provides warning. Fire alarm systems can use audible alerts to give building occupants notification of emergency and prompt them to escape a dangerous situation. Second is fire alarm monitoring. When used together with your fire alarm system, fire monitoring connects your building with your fire alarm monitoring provider, who is then the liaison with the fire department, alerting them if there is a fire in your building. Finally is early detection. A properly functioning fire alarm system can make it possible to detect a fire quickly. Together with a fire alarm monitoring system, it can allow firefighters to respond quickly. This is critical in helping to avoid major damage to your building. Thanks for watching. We hope that this video